Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be actually showing you how to write your empty NFC card on your iPhone using an empty NFC card and an easy application. Now, the first thing that you want to do is go to the App Store and look for the NFC.cool application on the App Store. It's a free to use tool to write NFC cards. Now, once the application has been downloaded, open it up and it looks something like this. Now, from there we go to write NFC tag, and here you can create a NFC message. This is very important. Now, from there you can use all sorts of options. Now, for this tutorial I'm going to use a web link. Now, let's say you want a Google review page. Now, simply head down to the Google review page, go to the share page and type in the URL that you're using. Now, let's say we have the Google URL, simply google.com, and every time we use the NFC card, it will take us to this link that we've provided. Now, all we have to do, whenever you have the link correct, go to save. Now, make sure to test it beforehand. And from there, we go to the little circle to the right where the web link appears. We actually check it. And from there, we press continue in the top of our screen. Now, here we can simply write an NFC tag right here. And all you have to do right now is grab your empty NFC tag and hold it against your phone. Now, whenever here it says ready to scan, and then it will write the NFC tag, the empty NFC tag, and that's all you have to do. Now, from there it's written, and once you're going out of the application, you can hold the NFC tag right against your screen or where the chip appears, and that should bring you to the website that you've just put in. Now, it's easy as that. If you still get any questions regarding my tutorial, leave them in the comments down below and I will help you. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.